So that's something that really helps with SEQUESTO. If you set up SEQUESTO well, and I will come to that also, because it's extremely important to have a good return on investment, is also to do proper homework on the tooling that you're using. So how does this bring to the complexity management and the challenges we have? As I said, nuances per country. I spoke about my team and the issues we may facing. Native language expectation is the most difficult one. And when I went on the hunt for that RFP answering machine, besides the standard requirement of auto-answering as much as we can, is to be able to answer in any language, starting from a single source language. It's not that I want to upload in a system Spanish, French, German, Russian, English, and then have it processed. No, I want to have, for example, my knowledge base in English, and the AI engine reads it and can translate that information into the target language. Was on top of the bill for me. And workarounds, like I've seen, like with DeepPulse or other translation tools, are just workarounds. They are not giving what I was looking for.
I remember, Serge, that when we were talking about when we were digging onto that topic, some of the alternatives you looked at, they came up with another solution, like why don't you put your content in multiple languages in your library and then you're done. But it was clunky. It was not what you were looking for, I remember.
It's not sustainable, and later on I will speak about the maintenance and the keeping the solution relevant. It's already a challenge to keep your knowledge base up to date in one language. Let it be in multiple languages. And who's going to validate all those answers? And it felt like patchwork. So during my assessment, there are players in the market that came from tendering answering and bolted AI on top. But as you said, Patrick, you are an AI native kind of application. And that actually was the bigger differentiator for my use case. And that was the most important one, because your solution delivered answers to my problem, or let's say the most pressing problems that I had. There are always nice things to have on top, but you solve the problem I need to solve. And like I said, these resources was a problem, Patrick. And then also in our domain, if you answer wrong, you're disqualified. I mean, simply put it. When you work a lot with copy-paste, and I've been reviewing my materials, often I've seen answers that were clearly copy-pasted. They kind of touch the subject. Yes, it is about problem X, Y, Z, but it speaks about something else. And it's not the answer to the question.